Hello everyone. Here is just a quick overview how to install JustFit lazy workout app on your phone. So here's the app. It's actually growing pretty nicely in the top charts. Um, and yeah, and this app is specifically focused on female fitness and exercises. It's just specifically dedicated to women exercises, and yeah, that's just a cool, nice, easy to use app. A very convenient design, easy to start with, very kind of minimalistic. JustFit is a scientifically designed virtual coach who will definitely help you. It's high time for you to start your training. JustFit has got everything ready: workout plans, huge library of exercises from top to bottom. JustFit even can give you personalized recommendations regarding your requirements. Whether you want to target your training on problem areas, so lose weight or gain muscle weight. So workouts at home at any time, tailor-made approach to weight loss, varied workouts to your needs. You can integrate Apple Health, and there is auto renewing subscription at $69.99 per year. So let's just open the app. And then what motivates you the best? Get shaped, look better, feel more comfortable, prepare body for summer. Okay, let's go. Build muscle. And then you just need to enter your data. For example, something like that. I'm just showing you the onboarding experience, how it might look like. Here you just have that. What's your desired type? We are starting a clear picture of you and your body, about you. What's your gender? So then you can just select, you can do male or female, but mostly the audience of this app is mostly like female. What's your age? You can just select what's your age. Then you can just select where you want to work out. No jumping, all lying down exercise. And then just select those. Then you can select if you suffered any injuries. Fitness analysis. So as you can see, the onboarding is pretty long here, but overall, if you just manage to go through it, the app is fairly easy to use. So just stick with it. So then you can so there you have it. And then finally, it creates a personal plan. Just need to wait some time. So yeah, that's basically the plan and your routine, what you need to do like the workout area. And yeah, this is just like a workout for you. And then just get my plan. And then you need to upgrade instantly. So you can upgrade for 1 month, 19.99 per month, 12 months, 583 per month, or you can do 3 months as well. There is no payment now. There is a free trial, and it is a 7-day free trial. Start this. Of course, they will offer you some additional deals. So you can also try that. And yeah, then you can just allow notifications, and then yeah, so you have your plan. You can see all the workouts you need to do during different days. What you can do, then there are different workouts, just all the different tutorials, then there are activities. You can connect your Apple Health and continue that. So you can see that, and then you can just see your progress. How are you going through your progress? And then you can just log weight and all of that. So yeah, that's basically the process of creating an account. And then as you can see, the app is fairly easy to use. So then you just have like, okay, I need to do this exercise, and then it's like a quick giphy. I give like what exactly you need to do. Some popular exercises you have here, and then yeah, you can just tap start. But it's just you, of course you can just see all the routine which is made for you, but you can also see the heart rate and just see the training in the heart rate can burn the most fat. But then yeah, if you want to use it in a proper way, then you will need to upgrade to, like just to.
Hey there, thank you for clicking the start button. I'm Coach Anna.
And then yeah, you just follow all these things together. If you're not upgraded, yeah, it will be just some things will be harder for you. But as you can see, it's pretty convenient to use it even in a free version, and just to start out. So that's the idea. Then you have progress. You can see monthly achievement. You can see workout durations. Then you have settings of your account, which you can always edit. You can set up workout reminders. You can clear cache also as well, just to increase more storage on your phone. Then you can also delete your account. Then there is Apple Health Premium. So then you can just upgrade to Premium from here. Yeah, if you try to create an account a few times, or if you just try creating your account, you can see maybe there are some perks or some deals available for you. It's a cool feature to enable workout reminder here as well. And there is a support if you can reach out to them to contact.justfitenergy.life. So you can do that as well. So yeah, that's basically the idea of the app. As you can see, it's pretty nicely designed app, very easy to use, minimalistic, and yeah, you can just follow it in yourself, like in your own room, in your apartment house. just without, like, if you don't like overcrowded gyms or you need to commute to your gym, this is like just the app in your phone, and it's very well built, nice exercises, well designed, and you can track all your activities. It's very nice, like knowledge base. You can see all of these workout types, you can reach it for yourself. And yeah, so that's basically the idea for it. Overall, hope it was helpful, and thank you for watching.